Jesus born in? Was it Jerusalem, Dallas, Jericho, or Bethlehem?
Bethlehem.
What city was Jesus born in? So, what city daw si Jesus natao? Sa Jerusalem, sa Jericho, sa Dallas,
Jericho.
sa Bethlehem.
Bethlehem.
Sa imo ha?
Sa Jericho.
Bethlehem. Imo ha?
Sa Jericho.
Sa Jericho imo ha. Itong tanaw ng answer.
Do you know the answer? Time's up. You're right. Bethlehem.
Bethlehem. Correct si Kuya. Wrong si Jed.
Hindi ang Jerusalem.
Naradre ang Jerusalem. Sabi na wala ang pangutana. Sunod.
Who was the mother of Jesus? Was it Hannah, Mary, Sarah, or Martha?
Oh. Who was the mother of Jesus? Si Hannah, si Sarah, si Mary, si Martha.
Si Mary.
Mary. Itong tanaw ng answer.
Well, if you said Mary, you got the answer right. Good job. Next
Correct,
question.
Mary.
What did Jesus turn the water into at the wedding? Was it mud, lemonade, soup, or wine?
Lemonade. Wine.
What did Jesus turn the water into at the wedding? Or what did Jesus turn the water into at the wedding? Unsa day gibuhat ni Papa Jesus atong na ikasal? Mud, soup, lemonade, or wine?
Wine.
Wine. Atong tanaw no correct ba?
If you said
Pwede pa doon.
wine, you got the right answer. Great job.
Wine.
What did
Correct yung
Jesus
answer.
walk on?
Correct yung answer, wine. Ayaw kay paduol dong. Sige, sunod nga pangutana,
What
paminaw.
is not possible for us to do? Was it water, sand, cows, or eggs?
What did Jesus walk on that is not possible for us to do? Water, cows, sand, eggs. Dali gibuhat ni Jesus nga nakalakaw siya nga dili na to pwede mabuhat nga katuyang gilakaw. Yan niha tutong gipaminaw diha sa box. Sa tubig,
Water.
sa cows,
Cows.
sand or eggs. Imo sa to water. Imo
Cows.
cows imo hatong tanaw ng tubag.
That's right, boys and girls. He walked on the water.
So, nilakaw siya sa tubig. Sa tubig siya
Next question.
nilakaw.
How many disciples did Jesus have? 77, 12, 3, or 1,000?
Atong truhon ha.
1,000.
How many disciples did Jesus have? Pila daw ang disciples ni Papa
1,000.
Jesus? 77, 12, 3, 1,000. Ito yung mga magkatubag.
1,000.
Yung sunod sa iya ha.
1,000. 1,000. na dia sa?
Pila daw ang
1,000. 1,000.
77 mo ha. Imo 1,000.
Oh.
Ito tanaw ang answer.
If you said 12, you got the answer right.
Wag, oro. Mo nang maminaw na mo magbasa-basa ko Bible. Pero maka.
Next question.
Sunod,
Who did
paminaw.
Jesus
Paminaw.
raise from the dead? Was it Peter, Kenny, Lazarus, or a guy named James?
Unsa to?
Oh, who did Jesus raise from the dead? O, kinsa doy?
Dako kita.
Ay, tanawa, di mo po kakabasa. Who did Jesus raise from the dead daw? Si Peter, si Lazarus, si Kenny, si James.
Si James. Unsa na dia sa to?
Peter, Lazarus, Kenny, James.
Lazarus. Unsa ni? Lazarus.
Peter, Lazarus, Kenny, James. Kasi mo answer.
James.
Mo.
Lazarus.
Punta na ako ng answer ha.
Lazarus. That's right.
Kasi yung answer og Lazarus.
Ako. Si Kuya.
Correct si Kuya.
James.
Who betrayed Jesus? Remember, for the pieces of silver? Was it Matthew, Herod, Martha, or Judas?
Who betrayed Jesus daw? Kasi may traitor ni Jesus. Si Mateo, si Marta, si Herod, si Judas.
Si Judas. Ako si Mataro. Si Judas ako.
Sige.
If you said Judas, You got the answer correct.
No, si Judas. Si Judas ang traidor ni Papa Jesus. Yang gibaylo si Papa Jesus sa kwarta. O, maunay kasagaran na to ron. So, isa ta mo simba kay mangwarta sa ta. Gibaylo na nato si Papa Jesus sa kwarta. Sige, bye-bye na. May gabi.
Bye-bye.